Purpose of Logistics Management System components. The logistics management system is part of management principles, especially in the field of logistics. With this system, it is hoped that the company's operational processes can run effectively. Logistics management itself is basically part of the supply chain management effort, which has a major role, especially in carrying out the process of planning and implementing, as well as controlling the storage and distribution of goods products, so that this activity can run effectively and efficiently. The following is a further explanation. Purpose of a logistics management system. The logistics management system is generally chosen by companies for several important purposes. For example, the goals listed below. Achieve company targets. Basically, a logistics management system run by a company has its own goals. The general purpose of the system used in carrying out logistics management is to assist companies in achieving targets or goals or objectives. So logistics management will continue to strive to focus more on achieving company goals. Make supplies of goods. In achieving the company's target, of course, the logistics department of a company continues to strive to hold inventory. Procurement of inventory of these goods must be carried out properly. This effort can be done by ensuring the quantity and quality of goods. In addition, all efforts need to be made to be able to support the process of procuring goods more effectively and efficiently. Maintain the efficiency and effectiveness of the company. Another goal of logistics management is to maintain the efficiency and effectiveness of the company. As previously discussed, the procurement of goods must be pursued to be effective and efficient. The same goes for other processes related to logistics. In this case, the logistics management system must be able to carry out activities to achieve it. Function of logistics management system. Doing good logistics management certainly brings many benefits. Furthermore, the following functions of the logistics management system are carried out regularly. Planning function. The logistics management system basically has several kinds of functions, and one of them is the planning function. In this case, logistics management functions to determine the product to be used along with the priority scale and its availability. Besides this, in carrying out this function, of course, you also need to pay attention to the budget so that it can match the company budget. Budgeting function. As previously stated, the existing system of logistics management must be able to pay attention to the budget. In this case, the budgeting function needs to be carried out so that the costs to meet logistical needs can be met. In addition, the procurement of goods can later be in accordance with the budget that has been provided by the company. Procurement function. The procurement function is one of the functions of the logistics management system, means that there is a greater focus on the procurement of goods. Of course, the procurement of goods must be adjusted to the budget that has already been made. However, if certain conditions cause the procurement of goods to be not in accordance with the plan, then of course the management will have to improvise in managing logistics. Storage function. Regarding the storage function of logistics management, it is generally related to the management of goods that are stored and will be distributed. Storage of goods must be done properly, for example in a place that has been provided by the company. The storage place for goods must also be secure so that the condition of the goods when they leave the storage area is the same as the condition of the goods when they enter the storage area. Maintenance function. What is meant by the function of maintenance by the logistics management basically includes all activities that can maintain the goods so that the goods are safe and in good condition. Actually, the purpose of maintaining the goods themselves is to ensure that the goods stored in the storage area are not damaged. Delete function. Another function of logistics management in the company is the deletion function. This one function is related to the activities of management to separate damaged goods. Later goods that have been damaged can be repaired so that they have a selling value that is more like the value of other goods. Or damaged goods can also be replaced with goods that are suitable. Control function. Finally, there is also the control function, which is also part of logistics management. This function is carried out by logistics management, of course, through all types of activities in accordance with all the functions mentioned above. This control function is carried out with the aim of ensuring that the logistics function as a whole can later be in accordance with what is expected by the company. Logistics management system components. In managing a good logistics management system, several main components are needed to support this. Usually this is controlled and integrated inventory systems and applications. As for realizing the right system, here are some of the main components that support it. Facility network. All logistics activities can certainly run well if there are components that can support them. For example, a facility network is a component of logistics management. This includes factories and warehouses as well as retail stores, which of course are all important facilities for the logistics management system. Transport service. In addition, there are also transportation components that are definitely needed for the purpose of being a medium or means of transporting goods. With this transportation, later the speed of service to customers can be guaranteed so that the company can satisfy customers. Procurement of materials. Another component of logistics management that also influences the performance of the logistics management system itself is material procurement. Generally, the procurement of this material is related to the procurement of finished products. Procurement of this material is also related to the process of setting a production schedule so that inventory is always there. Communication process. Another thing that is also a component in logistics management is the communication process, which is definitely an activity that cannot be separated from a logistics system. Communication in this case of course also includes all activities in providing information so that it can run more efficiently. In addition, the communication process is also related to the flow of information itself, which must be designed appropriately so that it can support the logistics system. Storage. Furthermore, there are also other components that also need to be known, namely storage components, which are no less important than other logistics components. This storage includes several activities such as movement and packing. All activities that are part of this storage process should be integrated properly and effectively. The logistics management system with all its functions and components and objectives as stated above is expected to add insight to all of you. Especially for those of you who plan to work in the logistics sector so that you can understand more about the existing system. Activities in the system used in a logistics management are of course very important for the continuity of the company. To simplify the logistics management process, now you can use the best software so that the logistics management system can function optimally.